we have a few gifts we want to show you. I'll start with from Home Depot. We have all our tools. They always have the parts we need. And we get our Milwaukee batteries from Home Depot for the best price. All our tools is from Husky brand and we love them. Thank you, Home Depot Canada. Whoa, that's so cool. I'm not sure didn't wear that. I could put stuff in here when I need it. Put it on. It's hard to tie on my whole pack. What do you need too? It has the same thing. It says, hi, my name's Brody. And this one is the same, and his is Elvis. I was just tying the back of this, and we love them. So I like them because you can put big stuff in here if you need it. But if it was too far and you're busy, you can just grab it from your pocket. There was something in here that we didn't see. Home Depot. Hi, Brody and Elvis. We're so glad to hear you're a fan of the Home Depot Canada. Please enjoy these aprons and good luck with your videos. From Michelle. We're just gonna put the note up here. For the second one, we're going to be opening this one. I just did my number of these. We don't know. Whoa! Look, there's colorful ones. Black, silver, purple, yellow, blue, red, silver, green. We got golden too. And we have screwdrivers. And one has my name on it. And at the front, it has one of our wagons and one of the videos. And I pop up there. It's from Billy, our friend Billy. Thank you. We really like the color. Whoa! Now we're going to open the last one. Thank you, Billy. We really love it. These are Husky tools from Grandpa, and they're from Home Depot. Ooh, we have a hammer too. Look at this! Whoa! I'll get this one. Whoa, this one's heavy. Whoa, I think this must be what's inside. I never knew we had these. Look at this one, guys. Hey, yeah. Whoa. I actually like the look of this one. Look, it looks like Gale. Teeth. Let's open the other box and see what's in there. Whoa! What are these? This must be a cover so they don't get ruined. This is a nice ratchet. Looks really cool. It has nice fine teeth. The switch versus the direction. So if you put it that way, they go that way. If you want it that way, then that way. And this one, if you push it, it comes off. Push it again, and then go back on, off. Stay tuned for episode 2. We took an old Power Wheels apart, and we're gonna turn it into a hot rod wagon from my little baby sister. Thank you, Home Depot, for our presents. Thank you, Billy. And thank you, Grandpa, for our amazing presents. Stay tuned for the next episode and watch us build a Power Wheels Roadmaster. Thanks for watching. We out. We out. So answer when it goes now, okay?